Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclopentene is there. You have two methyl group above the plane. Here you are converting into epoxide. One epoxide above the plane, one epoxide below the plane. You have to find what are the reagent and number of steps involved in that. Here below the epoxy plane is very easy because you are using CPBA. Peracid means you are converting alkene into epoxide there. Due to the steric reason, CPBA attack from below, you have epoxide formation below. Above the plane epoxide is little tricky. First you have to use NBS, N-bromosuccinamide. So brominating agent it forms below the plane bromination. Same steric effect leads to below the plane and OH attack less in that side and SN2 reaction. So attack from back side, so transformation. So if you read that to the 5-member ring, OH and Br are anti to each other. So intra-elimination is possible. So intra-SN2 reaction is possible. O attacks the bromine from backside, you have epoxide above the plane. So if you read that nicely, you have visual above the plane architecture. Here the concept you have to learn here is by control the reactant, you can control the stereochemistry of the product. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.